Yeah, I'm just seeing how it looks on the camera, of course. It's not a picture, I mean, just seeing how it looks.
That's nice, you can take and show.
Routing is good though. It's a short flight anyways.
Thank you for giving me so long that laptop.
Oh, of course, no problem. Always here to help.
Very worried that I went away with the laptop.
Actually, I still haven't trust you because, you know, some people can't be trusted, but I'm pretty sure since you're on my flight, it's pretty obvious that you would give it back since you're on the second sector. So there's no reason to believe you wouldn't. That's what it'd be like if I borrowed someone's laptop.
I wanted to do for you, give it back.
I know, right? Then my dad was looking for me as well because I was probably just roaming around the gate.
I was with the laptop looking for it to give it back.
I was near gate 15 for some time. I probably was just staring at some planes and probably see if I could, how my camera looks in that context. Well, it does take nice resolutions of everything.